Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. Today I'm going to start an application which is a web-based project management system. In this application, user can manage the projects, multiple projects, and he can manage the task, collaborate with other team members. So all these things we can do in this web application. Okay. So I have divided this course in three phases. In the first phase, we will create front end, and then in the second phase we will create backend, and I will tell you that what tech stack we will use, and in the third phase we will deploy the project, okay, with the CI/CD and GitHub. So if I talk about the main features, then it will be workspace, spaces, list and tasks. Workspaces means you have multiple projects, and then you can create a space for those particular grouping of the task, right? So these things we will control in this application. User security, of course, we have two different dashboard views. One is a normal list view, and one is a Kanban board. uh, of course, we have a task detail, team collaboration, and live syncing with the WebSocket, right? So these are the main features of this project. Okay, so if I talk about the tech stack, then of course we will use Next.js, right? With the but in this project we will focus on the TypeScript, right? And for the styling, I will use the Bootstrap, but I think we should use Tailwind, so I will make here Tailwind, okay? And the backend, we are not using Django, but we are going to use FastAPI, okay? Because synchronization is working well with the FastAPI. A database, we will use, of course, PostgreSQL with the help of SQLAlchemy ORM. Then it will be we will create this the whole the project ecosystem with the Docker, okay? So we will deploy all the things on our VPS server with the Docker, right? All right. So these things are for project, and for the features, and for the tech stack breakdown, right? So this is I have created the episode list, right? Maybe it can increase or decrease, but in the first four episode we will focus on the front end, and the second four we will focus on the back end, and then the last two we will focus on the integration and development. Integration means the continue integration and development, okay? So we will use the GitHub actions for our CI/CD, and of course we will use Docker and other things for the deployment. All right. So this is whole thing about this project and about this series, okay? So maybe 10 to 15 videos will come, and we will complete this project, and you will learn lot of thing about the front end. Okay, one thing more, we are going to create this project manually. We will not use AI in this project. With this way we can make our foundation strong, right? So that I'm going to create this in this AI era, I'm going to create this project in manual way, right? So stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, and I will upload the first episode for the front end, and we will start creating the project, okay? So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you understand that what we are going to build,